everybody and welcome to my kitchen. I wanted to do something a little bit different today. First, I'm going to show you how to make your own paint from household items you can find in the store. The first thing you need is cornstarch. The second thing is some food colouring, some water. Then you're going to need a muffin tin, a fork for mixing, and a tablespoon. So we're going to start off by mixing our paint. You're going to take your tablespoon and put 2 tablespoons in each container, or each muffin. Okay, once you've put roughly 2 tablespoons in, we're now going to put in 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, so now we might need more water. We're going to mix it up with our fork. I learned my lesson. You really need to mix 1 tin at a time, 1 muffin container at a time. So, I did need to add some more water. Remember, if you add more, let's start off with less, and then we can always add more. So let's just maybe start off with 1 drop, see what that looks like, and if that's the colour we want, we can always add another colour. Wow, that's pretty cool. 1 drop. Let's see what happens if I add 3 drops. See, we're going to get a lot darker. Alright guys, I've finished mixing my paint and now I'm going to take this outside and we're going to do a fun design on our driveway. I'll see you outside. Bye! Well, hi everyone, and welcome to the end of my driveway. I brought my homemade paint out and some paint brushes, and one of the things that you can do is you can paint some fun thank you messages to our delivery people that deliver our groceries and our mail. We can thank our neighbours and people in our community, the doctors and nurses that go out to work every day. So this is a fun outdoor project that you can all do with your family. So let's go ahead and draw some pictures.